This 2018 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Zinc with Aosta cherry Italian Tecnoform cabinetry interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2018 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.